I don't think there's a real definition for sustainability. I think it has to do with maintaining quality of life into the future and at the same time addressing social, environment and economic concerns.
Sustainability can mean, it can mean different things to different people. But at the same time, I think it's something very relevant to the transportation sector, given that transportation is such a big part of human life and everyday life.
We generate in transportation about a third of the emissions, use up about a third of the energy, and transportation is linked to many other sectors like energy, construction, etc. So transportation clearly plays a big role in sustainability.
There are many programs in TTI that already address sustainability. They may not call it that. The materials and pavements folks do a lot with, recycled materials and things like that that also address an aspect of sustainability.
We are collecting a tremendous amount of data through our air quality program with portable emission measurement system, work at the chamber, and all that data actually feeds performance measurement, which actually feeds the concept of sustainability.
We basically developed a guidebook for transportation agencies to understand what sustainability is and how does that apply to what we are doing as a transportation agency.
This was a major NCHRP national project that involved 7 companies that worked with us, including 2 experts from Europe. We're very proud of this guidebook. It's easily applicable and it's actually being used by agencies such as New York State DOT.
One that for me was personally very interesting was a project we did for the Texas DOT on performance measures for their strategic plan. And actually that project led to this bigger NCHRP effort, but it was something I was involved in, and what we did was we developed a sustainability enhancement tool, as it was called. It allowed practitioners like TxDOT employees or planners to evaluate highway projects on a bunch of parameters relating to sustainability.
A lot of what TTI does is to improve the transportation system, and we also want to reduce the negative impacts of transportation. And those 2 things are totally related to sustainability. Those are very important sustainability principles. And since we do those things, I think TTI as such is doing so much for sustainability.